Hi, today I'm working in the garden on my spring plantings. I'm actually going to be adding a calcium eggshell mixture to my tomatoes. And so I basically have just taken 2 eggs and kept the shells from them and crushed them and added a teaspoon of vinegar. And again, this helps to further break down the eggshells so that I can pull out the calcium and add them to my tomato plants and other plants. Hi, so today you can see that the plants are thriving. This is the zucchini plant. I got a bell pepper or green bell pepper plant that I added. I'm going to actually repot that into a larger container soon. Here are the herbs. You see the basil and the oregano are thriving, and my sage is coming along. I'm going to have to repot that as well. But what I'm here to talk about today is really the tomatoes. As you can see, I'm starting to have some tomatoes here. And so I've created an eggshell mixture that I demonstrated just before this video on how to make it. And it's with crushed eggshells and a little bit of vinegar so it can break down, because tomatoes need calcium to avoid getting rot at the bottom of the tomato. And so we add that to the potting soil, and it is great for the soil. And I'm going to do that now. So I let my eggshells, which was 2 eggshells and just a teaspoon of white vinegar, kind of break down together for about an hour. I'm adding a little water to the mixture so that you can see that I'm going to be pouring this into the plant. And then I'm going to be adding some additional soil and additional a few more eggshells, because I still have some in here. So you can, oops, I'm covering my camera. So you can see that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to add soil on top of that. Now what that does is, again, it's welcome to the city. What that does is that it actually is going to help give the calcium that the plants need to thrive. So I'll continue to keep track of these plantings and show you as they begin to bud and bloom in this summer heat that we're having. We have a little heat wave in the spring right now. Look forward to seeing you soon.